You want to grow your business, increase your sales, attract your audience? Add promotional videos into your mix to increase your marketing. 98% of users say they have watched an explainer video to learn more about products and services. Moreover, study shows that promotional videos can increase your sale up to 300%. Whiteboard videos are an effective educational marketing tool. It's a style that sets your audience's mind into a learning mood, but it's engaging enough to actually make learning look cool. Whiteboard animation can boost attention and retention for your audience. And irony is that you do not have to pay much for such videos. They are cost-effective and easily affordable. Welcome to my whiteboard animation service. I will create an amazing whiteboard animation video that will certainly grab attention of your customers by explaining an idea of a product and service you are offering in a simple and entertaining way in reasonable price. So, what are you waiting for? Catch up my service, 24/7 available. Contact me now, exclusively on Fiverr.